So next we are going to discuss about the normal form of a line. So what is the normal form of a line? We want to find out the equation of this line. This line equation we want to find out. The information is given as from origin onto that line, the perpendicular distance is given as a P, and this normal makes an angle alpha with x-axis. That normal makes an angle alpha with x-axis. When these two informations are given, how to find out the equation of this line? The line equation, from origin to the line, the perpendicular distance is given as a P. This normal makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. Then the equation of this line is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. That is the equation of a line in normal form, where P is the perpendicular distance from origin onto this line. How we are getting that one? Okay, I am assuming this length is equals to A. That means x-intercept is equals to A. That means the line is passing through a point A comma 0. And this is y-intercept I am assuming as B. That means the line is passing to the point 0 comma B. We know the intercept form of a line equation. The intercept form of a line equation is x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. That is the intercept form of a line equation. Now from this diagram, can you tell me what is the cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is P by A. Therefore we got A is equal to P by cos alpha. If this angle is alpha, then this will be 90 minus alpha or not. So this is 90 minus alpha. That's why from this I can write cos 90 minus alpha is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That hypotenuse is equals to B. Cos 90 minus alpha is sin alpha. Therefore we got B is equal to P by sin alpha. Therefore the equation of the line is x by, in place of A we can write P by cos alpha. In place of B we can write P by sin alpha is equals to 1. So now that is nothing but x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. That is the equation of a line in normal form. Right? Suppose you see the line is there here. This is the line now. Now from origin onto the line, this is the perpendicular distance. What is alpha over here? This normal, how much angle it makes with the positive direction of x-axis. This is alpha. Right? When the line is there in a second quadrant, this is alpha. Similarly, when the line is there in third quadrant, this is the normal. This normal, how much angle it makes with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. This is alpha. Now, if the line is there here, then what happens? This is the normal. We can take this one as the alpha, right? Or I can take like this. When we are taking in clockwise direction, we can write this one as minus alpha. Whereas here also, if we are taking in clockwise direction, we can write this one as pi minus alpha with minus sign. That means minus of pi minus alpha, because this total angle is pi and this part is alpha. Okay. So that is about the normal form of the equation of a line. Suppose you see the line equation is given in this way. This is the information given. Root 3x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0. That is the equation of a line. He is asking convert that line equation into normal form. Then what to do? This can be written as minus root 3 into x minus y is equals to 4. Yes or no? Why I did this one as plus 4? Because we are getting in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, where P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. P is the perpendicular distance. P is always positive, right? So that is the reason this one I am making always positive. Now divide with root of a square plus b square. What happens? X into minus root 3 by 2 plus y into minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So I can write, array, this is cos alpha. Cos alpha negative, sin alpha also negative. Where? Third quadrant. Third quadrant is pi plus. So now I can write this one as x into cos of pi plus pi by 6, right? Plus y into sin of pi plus pi by 6 is equals to 2. So we got the information x cos 7 pi by 6 plus y sin 7 pi by 6 is equals to 2. That is the equation of a line in normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. That is the equation of a line, because you will get the line in this way. This is the line from origin to the line. The perpendicular distance is 2, and this normal makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. This angle is nothing but pi plus pi by 6. That is the normal form of the equation of a line. Suppose you see x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P is the normal form. Now the line equation is given as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What we can write this one as ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now divide with root of a square plus b square. Then what happens? X into a by root of a square plus b square plus y into b by root of a square plus b square is equals to minus c by root over a square plus b square. Now this is nothing but x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P, because this is P, the perpendicular distance P is equal to, we can write modulus of c by root over a square plus b square. So from origin onto this line, the perpendicular distance is given by mod c by root over a square plus b square. So I am taking cos alpha is equal to a by root of a square plus b square, sin alpha is equal to b by root of a square plus b square. That's why if the line equation given, this is the way of converting that line equation into normal form. So another important idea, and we are going to discuss, that is the symmetric form of a line equation. What is the symmetric form of a line equation? X minus x1 divided by cos theta is equals to y minus y1 divided by sin theta is equals to r. That is called the symmetric form of a line equation. Observe here, the information is given as, here there is a point a x1 y1, that is the point a x1 y1 whose inclination is theta. That means this line inclination is theta. Now what I am doing is, somewhere here there is a point is there. Let us say that point is px comma y, a general point on the line we can take. Extend, this angle is given as theta. Okay, so this is the point a x1 y1, and at a distance of r units. At a distance of r unit, that means distance between a and p is equal to r units. At a distance of r units, there is a point px comma y. Now from this a line is drawn perpendicularly. You know the distance is y, and this distance is equals to y1. Now can you tell me what about this length? That length is nothing but y minus y1. At the same time, this length is nothing but x minus x1, and this is equals to theta, because this is theta, that is also theta. Tell me from the diagram what we can write. Cos theta is equal to x minus x1 divided by r. whereas sin theta is equals to y minus y1 divided by r. So from this I can write x minus x1 by cos theta is equals to r, that is also equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, that must be equal to r, that is the distance form of a line. That means from a point x1 y1 at a distance of r units there is a point x comma y possible. From a point x1 y1 at a distance of r units on a line whose inclination is theta. From a point x1 y1 at a distance of r units there is a point possible on a line whose inclination is theta. Then the coordinates of that point is given by, here I can say x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. From there I can write y is equals to y1 plus r sin theta. That means from a point x1 y1 at a distance of r units, there is a point P possible. That point P coordinates are x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Immediately you may get a doubt, sir, why you are proceeding r units this side? You can't proceed r units this side. Yes, you can proceed r units this side also. When we are proceeding r units this side, another point is also possible. That's why we will write here plus r minus r. That's why x is equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r minus r sin theta. That means from a point x1 y1 at a distance of r units on a line whose inclination is theta, two points are possible. One point is x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Another point is x1 minus r cos theta, y1 minus r sin theta. That is the advantage of this particular information. That is, this is called the distance form of a line, or we can call it as symmetric form of a line. So another application based on this question. This is the point x1 y1. This line inclination is theta. That means this line makes an angle theta with x-axis. This line meets the another line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 at a point q. What is saying? There is a point px1 y1 on the line whose inclination is theta. This line meets another line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 at a point q. What about the distance pq? We want to find out the distance pq from a point p onto the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to find out the distance along the line whose inclination is theta. Now observe here, I don't know this distance. Let us say the distance is equals to r. Then I can take this point q as x1 plus r cos theta, and I can take y1 plus r sin theta or not. Not only plus, you can take minus also. Now tell me, this particular point is there on this line or not? Substitute this point in the line equation. Therefore a into x1 plus r cos theta, r is nothing but pq. x1 plus r cos theta plus b into y1 plus r sin theta plus c is equals to 0. Now I can write this one as ax1 plus by1 plus c plus r into, observe here, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equals to 0. Therefore I can write the value of r is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by, yes, a cos theta plus b sin theta. Yes or no? R value. But r is what? Distance. Distance never be negative. That's why remove this minus sign and keep it in modulus. That r is nothing but our PQ. right? So R is nothing but PQ. So now here the confusion arises. Sir, okay, if the angle between these two is 90, if the angle between these two lines is equal to 90, then what happens to this distance, sir? Observe here. This is the point x1, y1. This is the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. From a point x1, y1 onto this line, a perpendicular distance. I am asking now this distance. But earlier distance what, sir? A point x1, y1 is there. This is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now the distance what I got is this distance. Why this distance? Because this line inclination is theta. In this direction we got the distance, or in this direction, or in this direction. Now I am asking, if this angle is equal to 90, that means these two lines are perpendicular. Alright, this line slope is equals to tan theta, because inclination is theta. This line slope is equal to minus a by b. You know, product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1 means definitely you will get tan theta is equal to b by a. Alright, tan theta is equal to, we got b by a. Tan theta value we got b by a. This is b by a. Now this becomes root of a square plus b square, right? Now tell me from that what we will get. Cos theta is equal to a by root over a square plus b square. And what about sin theta from the diagram? Sin theta is equals to b by root over a square plus b square. Now then what? We got cos theta value and we got sin theta value also. If we got cos theta and sin theta values, substitute here. Cos theta value, sin theta value, substitute here. Then what happens? Ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a into, in place of cos theta, a by root over a square plus b square, b into, in place of sin theta, b by root over a square plus b square. What about that simplification? That simplification is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square plus b square. Because here a square plus b square by same denominator, a square plus b square by root over a square plus b square, you will get root over a square plus b square. This is the formula for finding the perpendicular distance from a point x1, y1 onto the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Once again, from a point x1, y1 onto the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. How to find out the perpendicular distance? Nothing, very easy to remember. In place of x write down x1, in place of y write down y1. X is replaced with x1, y is replaced with y1. So ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over x का coefficient square plus y का coefficient square. This is the perpendicular distance from a point x1, y1 onto this line. Suppose you see the point is given 3, 4. So onto the line 7x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. We want to find out the perpendicular distance. What I told, in place of x write down x1, in place of y write down y1. Then what happens? 7 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 modulus divided by square root of x का coefficient square plus y का coefficient square. Right? Suppose at the same time the question is given like this. From origin onto the line 7x plus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. We want to find out the perpendicular distance. Then what to do? In place of x 0, in place of y 0. That's why 8 divided by square root of x का coefficient square plus y का coefficient square. That is the perpendicular distance from origin to this line. Now the information is given in this way. From origin onto the line whose x intercept is a and y intercept is b. from origin onto this line, the perpendicular distance is given as a P. From origin onto this line, the perpendicular distance is given as a P. Then he is asking, what is the value of 1 by A square plus 1 by B square? Now tell me, from origin onto this line, the perpendicular distance. What I told, x का जगह में 0, y का जगह में 0. Then what will you get? 0 by A plus 0 by B minus 1 in modulus. Shifted to this side. In place of x 0, in place of y 0, minus 1 divided by square root of, tell me what is x coefficient? 1 by A whole square. What is y coefficient? 1 by B whole square must be equal to P, because from origin to this line the perpendicular distance is given as P. Now this value is 1. So 1 divided by root over 1 by A square plus 1 by B square is equal to P given. Now squaring on both sides, you will get 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. That is the way of finding the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. So simply we can say now, from origin or from a point x1 y1 onto the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The perpendicular distance is given by modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. If the point x1 y1 is origin, then what happens? Mod c divided by root over a square plus b square. Now my question arises, as we discussed earlier also, any line parallel to this line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, one line. Any line parallel to this line is of the form ax plus by plus d is equal to 0. Now my question is, these two lines are parallel lines. What about the distance between these two parallel lines? Observe here. Just imagine this is one line and this is another line. Both the lines are parallel lines. Okay, these two lines are parallel lines. We want to find out the distance between these two parallel lines. Now this line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and this line equation is ax plus by plus d is equal to 0. From origin onto this line, what is the perpendicular distance? Mod c divided by root over a square plus b square. From origin onto this line, what is the perpendicular distance? Mod d divided by root over a square plus b square. This total distance is mod c by root over a square plus b square, and this distance is equal to mod d by root over a square plus b square. But we require this distance, subtract. So that's why distance between these two parallel lines is given by modulus of c minus d divided by root over a square plus b square. That is the formula for finding the distance between two parallel lines, right? So based on the distance form of a line, just I want to discuss one question. The question is given in this way: a straight line having slope minus 4 by 3 passing through the point 3 comma 5. A straight line having slope minus 4 by 3 passing through the point 3 comma 5, and Q be a point on the same line such that this PQ distance is given as a 10. PQ distance is given as a 10. Then he is asking to find the coordinates of the point Q. Let us say this coordinates as x comma y. Slope is given as a minus 4 by 3. Slope is given as a minus 4 by 3 means tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. You know, theta lies between 0 and 180 only. In the interval 0 to 180, where tan negative second quadrant. That's why theta is in second quadrant. Observe now here. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 this will be 5. Tell me from the diagram what is the cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5 and sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Now cos theta we have to take negative, sin theta we have to take positive, because tan we got negative means theta lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant sin positive, cos negative. Now I can write x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. That y1 is nothing but the 0.5 given, is equal to plus or minus 10. With the plus 10 you will get a point this side, with the minus you will get a point this side. 2 points are possible. From this point at a distance of 10 units, this side 1 point possible, this side another point possible. That's why we can write now x minus x is equal to 3 plus or minus 10 into cos theta value is equal to minus 3 by 5. Next y is equal to 5 plus or minus 10 into sin theta value is given as 4 by 5. So from here you will get the 2 points are not. So that is the way of finding the coordinates of a point Q. So that is the discussion regarding the normal form of a line and the symmetric form of a line. Next class we are going to discuss the other ideas based on this point of concurrence, and few problems we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, bye bye.